In this video, I want to share with you a low competition evergreen niche for merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you that low competition evergreen niche for merch, just want to do a quick sales update for merch by Amazon. So today is Wednesday, January 15th, 6:09 a.m. in the morning, sitting at 0 sales. But yesterday I did 50 sales or 51 sales and $47 in royalties. I think that was the first time I've done 50 sales. Oh no, I did 51 sales the other day. But that was going to put me at 506 sales for the month and $489 in royalties for the month of January. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I post my daily sales for both merch by Amazon and Etsy. The link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. And first, I just want to share with you how I found this niche, because a lot of times people are asking me how I do my research for evergreen niches. And to be honest, I just do my research just by keeping my ears and eyes open all the time. I'm always on the lookout for new niches. And so the way that I found this one is I was just walking to a cafe Sunday morning like last week right here, and I walked by this bus and I saw these puzzle pieces and I was like, I wonder if puzzles is a niche. And so what I did when I got to the coffee shop, I actually just popped that keyword, I popped this keyword puzzles into Merch Dominator, into the product search section, because I want to see what the competition is. And when I hit it, I saw that there's actually way too much competition. I think there's like 6,000 results from Productor. And the main reason why is because of the autism niche. A lot of people use the puzzle keyword in the autism niche or in their listings. So what that got me thinking, I was like, well, how can I maybe cross niche? Or how could I niche down? And so I jumped on over to good old Google, and I just typed in like types of puzzles. And right here, I saw all these different niches. So here are a whole bunch of niches. I thought maybe Sudoku could be a good one, but I thought, oh, maybe that's trademarked. I actually checked. I didn't see any trademarks. I did see some design sellings, but this one just kind of made me nervous. And I was looking here, and I saw jigsaw puzzles. So that's the evergreen niche I have for you, jigsaw puzzles. So I just came back over to Productor and typed in jigsaw puzzles, and I saw that this one was a lot lower in competition, under 500. Now my benchmark, like I always say, is 1,000, but my sweet spot is 500, and Productor's taking its sweet time to load. I actually did this before in case this was to happen. And right here we're going to see jigsaw puzzles, only 403 results. So for an evergreen niche, I believe that is good. And when we look at these BSRs, and one thing I also like to do is with Productor, you can just click on sales rank. Maybe it's still loading. Well, if you click on sales rank, it'll actually put the best sellers at the top here. Too bad it's not working right now because of my internet. But nevertheless, we're going to see the top four are all under 1 million. So 780, 339, 933, 945. And you can see it's pretty easy to design for. This is my favorite way to design, where you just have like text on the top and the bottom, and then some type of clip art in the middle, kind of like this one right here. Now every day I'm puzzling, I would probably stay away from, because that reminds me of that Rick Ross song, Every Day I'm Hustling. I mean, I guess you probably could get away with it, but I don't want to risk it. Let's see what else we have here. It's all fun and games until a piece is missing. Oh, and I also forgot to mention I have 5 free prompts to go along with this niche. Puzzle Queen. I talk a lot about this type of niche right here, or phrase. You can just take any niche almost and put the word queen after, king after, squad after, and it has a good chance to sell. Here we have a very famous design style with the pulse, with the puzzle piece and the coffee. You can do something different, maybe just get rid of the coffee, maybe put a different type of drink like a beer or something like that, or a margarita. Here we have one where we're taking puzzles and we're crossing shit with cats, with a funny phrase saying puzzling makes me feel less murdery. So that's kind of funny. So we can see pretty good BSRs, 410, 404. See if we can find some other good ones. You want a piece of me, so this is a funny one right here. Kind of play on words. Solving puzzles is my superpower. Oh, and to go along with those 5 free prompts I have for you, I also added in 10 more phrases that can work with this niche. So actually, let's just go ahead and take a look at those prompts. So if we just go to pay ship, my pay ship shop. Right here you can get 5 free jigsaw puzzle prompts, free download. You'll get a free PDF and a free doc, and this is actually it right here. So here are the prompts and here are the phrases, which I'll talk about in a second. Just want to share with you or show you the prompts on Ideogram. So here we are on Ideogram on my home page. So right here, I puzzle way past my bedtime. Just a girl who loves puzzles. We know this is a very popular phrase. You could also do just a boy, maybe switch out the colors for blue. Solving puzzles is my superpower. Puzzle queen. And then the dining room table is mine. Now this one you can do the kitchen table is mine. Again, for this one you could also switch up for king or squad or crew or something like that. And then I also took all of these designs and put them on Creative Fabrica. So if you're not into prompts but you like these designs, you can actually come to my Creative Fabrica shop. This is me right here. Hello. And you can get these designs and you can use them for merch by Amazon or any other print-on-demand platform like Redbubble. So check that out if you're interested. And now let's go ahead and take a look at those design phrases in the Word file. Because what you can do with those design phrases is you can take these phrases and just switch them out for the prompts. So like for example, here are the phrase ideas. I should have probably made that bold. Right here it says, sorry, I wasn't listening. I was thinking about jigsaw puzzles. So you could take this, you can copy and paste it. And instead of saying, I puzzle way past my bedtime, you can just copy and paste and put these phrases in there. So puzzle and beer, that's why I'm here. A lot of times you can take a niche, you can cross niche it with beer. That's a good recipe for success for merch by Amazon. You'll probably have to add in some type of beer, clip art or image into the prompt. Puzzles make me happy, you not so much. I did the math, the answer is jigsaw puzzles. For some reason, that one always makes me laugh. You had me at puzzles. That's also a funny one for like couples. I'm a puzzle master. What's your superpower? Not your average puzzle master. I've been able to have good success with this phrase a lot, especially with like professions or jobs. Husband, dad, puzzle master, legend. These are all popular phrases that we've just seen over the years sell very well. And you can just take all, so many niches and just basically pop them into these phrases. As long as you have like a good design, quality design, which you can get from Ideogram, has a good chance to sell. This is what an awesome puzzle master looks like. First, I drink the coffee, then I do puzzle stuff. So I thought I'd add in some phrases, so to give you guys some more kind of options on how you can kind of scale out these designs or switch out the phrases. All right, so that is the low competition evergreen niche to have for you. Jigsaw puzzles, some prompts to go along with it, and some phrase ideas, and you can get this all for free. I figured I'd just give it for free to kind of boost up my YouTube channel. And now I want to share with you some resources that I am currently using to help me get sales like this on a regular basis. So the first one is going to be those prompts. So if you like those prompts, you can actually click on my, oh shoot, what happened? I messed it up. Let's see, can I put it back in there? Okay, so give me a second here, malfunction. So you can click on my face right here. Actually, nope, I messed it up, sorry. Oh man. Okay, so let's try this again. So when you're on this page right here, if you click on my profile picture right here, it will take you to my home page for my pay ship shop. And here are all the other prompts that I have. So I just put out 5 free Black History prompts, but I also have prompts that I'm selling. Pi Day, I'm actually going to make a video for this, I think, on Saturday. Excuse me. 25 fishing prompts, video game prompts, 100 prompts for March. The ones that will probably make the most sense for the time of year is going to be St. Patrick's Day prompts, Mardi Gras prompts, and then Valentine's Day prompts. I also have this evergreen prompt, like mega bundle of 500 prompts for only $24.99. I basically took these 4 right here, health, career, food, and animal, put them all together, made a nice evergreen bundle. And what you can do is, like, if you're interested in like these Valentine's Day prompts, I actually have a link to one of my videos on my YouTube channel that you can copy and paste, and it will show you what the prompts and the designs look like. So click on the thumbnail if you want to see what the prompts look like. So those are the prompts. Next one is going to be Ideogram. So if you don't have Ideogram, I would highly recommend that you get it, or at least some type of AI, design creator, maybe like Kittle. I've heard that's pretty good too. I just have never used it personally. But if you sign up to IDEOGRAM using my affiliate link, you will actually get an additional 100 bonus priority prompts. That's up and above just what you get when you just sign up. And one of the things I love so much about IDEOGRAM is that you can just take a screenshot of a design and just upload that screenshot, click on the design button, and you can get a similar design, or you can just get the prompt and you can switch out the prompt, add some other text in to make it more kind of original. So highly recommend you sign up to IDEOGRAM. And like I said, if you click right here, you get an additional 100 priority prompts right here. And everybody that has been signing up using my affiliate link, just want to give you a thank you. I appreciate your support. Next is going to be Merch Dominator and Flying Research. Now these are the research tools that I use to find trending designs, especially Merch Dominator. Have been liking them. I used to say Flying Research was my favorite, but honestly I just didn't really know how to use Merch Dominator the correct way. So what I like to do is just come here to MBA and KDP, click on bestsellers, and then I like to filter it by newest. Hit search, and it's going to show us all the trending niches. So that's fun. So I would stay away from stuff like this. There's a lot of football niches, like right here, football. You know, that's going to get you in trouble, in my opinion. Inauguration day is a good one. I think that one's safe. Don't do this. That's another football one, and human tragedy because of the fires in LA. This one I see is trending, but I'd probably stay away from it because it's got bad words in it. See if we can find a good one against. Don't do that. Don't do that. Here we got a good one. This I think could work. Political one, sell well. But yeah, so this is just basically how I use. Oh, Year of the Snake. That's another good one. Actually, it's kind of competitive. I put a video about how you should do Year of the Horse for actually focus on next year, 2026. There's barely like any competition, and there's actually design sellings for that. And Merch Dominator was actually how I found that niche. So yeah, so that's Merch Dominator. Also Flying Research. Flying Research is nice because they give you a weekly newsletter. Next one is going to be Creative Fabrica. So if you sign up to Creative Fabrica for a year, you can get a whole year access for only $3.99. IDEOGRAM is great. I use it probably 80% of the time, but it cannot do everything. Sometimes I still use Creative Fabrica to get certain types of designs and fonts. If you click on this link here, it will take you to my shop if you just want to get my designs. So I put out some Black History designs. I put out some prompts here, some Valentine's Day ones, political designs, and you can use these if you're interested. And then I also have Pretty Merch. So if you want to get a nice dashboard like this where you can see your sales, get analytics, this is very useful. And then I also have a couple affiliate links for like Etsy resources. So EVERBEE is probably by far the best research tool that I have seen. It can show you what is selling. It's just by far the best in my opinion. Highly recommend it. I think it is mandatory if you're on Etsy. And then the last one is going to be, oh, I forgot to show you my course. So I have a course for Merch by Amazon. It's for beginners. So if you're a beginner, you're struggling to get sales, you're like stuck in tier 10, making less than like $100 a month, you just can't figure out how to get sales on Merch by Amazon, I would highly recommend you watch this Merch by Amazon course. It's only $25. So if you're interested, give it a try. And then the last one was Printful. So Printful right here. Printful is who I use to fulfill all my t-shirts and mugs and hoodies for Etsy. All right, so if you're interested, check out Printful. I like them better than Printify. All right, but that is going to be it for today's video. Again, the niche is jigsaw puzzles right here. I think it's a good one, low in competition. So get your designs up, download that Word file. I kind of have fun seeing what you guys make. I go back in later and just like filter by newest. I'm able to see your guys' design, so that's always kind of cool to see. That's going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.